Because mommy has a surprise for you. Are you ready? Wait! Wait, close your eyes. Dito ka, wait. Wait lang, wait po. You count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, and then turn around.
Louder! Count 1 to 10. Go, count 1 to 10. 'So guys, ayan, dala na natin ang kanyang excavator galing sa Dream Toys. What will you say? You say thank you, Dream Toys. Dream Toys. Dream Toys. You say Dream Toys. You say hi guys. Look at the camera. You say hi guys. Thank you, Dream Toys. I'll show your pa-cute face on the camera. 1, 2, 3, pa-cute. Look, oh. Surprise na natin. Surprise mo na din. Surprise na daw natin. Di siya makapag-amasal. Ay, alam niya na. Pinipigure out niya kung paano yung ito. Here, I'll go. Here, this one. 2. Sa fire truck, ah. Wow! Oh, wait! Mom, you will open the door! You open the door. You go there, oh. There! Dun! Oh, you go inside.
Wow!
Wow! Palagyan ko siya ng ano. Here comes the fire truck.